Tech with Art. Welcome back to Skill Ful Solutions, your ultimate guide to conquering all things digital. Today we're tackling a common frustration: how to get rid of the pesky verification required message on the App Store. If you're tired of this hurdle, stick around because we've got your back. Check payment info. Examine your payment information. The verification required message often pops when there's an issue with your payment details. Head to your App Store settings and double check your payment methods. 2. Verify payment method. Verify your payment method. Sometimes a simple verification process can clear up the issue. Follow the prompts to verify your payment method. This may involve receiving a verification code or confirming your identity. 3. Update billing address. Update your billing address. Ensure your billing address is accurate and matches the one associated with your payment method. An incorrect address can trigger the verification required message. Step 4. Check out others. There might be issues which can be generated from subscription and family sharing, so checking that can save you a lot of time. There you have it, tech enthusiasts. Follow these steps and you'll bid farewell to the verification required annoyance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Skill Ful Solutions for more tech insights, and hit that notification bell.